Welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
We bring you detailing information
and other automotive goodness. I'm Ryan.
Brandon over here.
So what do we got today? We've got detailing information, right?
That's right.
Product.
Detailing product and information. Hopefully it's good information.
Yeah.
We don't know. This is Sud Factory.
Okay.
Dissolve X2 paint water spot remover.
Okay.
I have some annoying water spots on some rubber plastic trim around the windows on one of my vehicles. Sat on a dealer lot for a long time, and it's got some etching, I guess, into the plastic.
Yeah,
right?
you can really see
it. Yeah, so we'll show you guys that. But actually, we're going to try this to see if we can get it off. And we also have another thing, has nothing to do with vehicles. I have some patio furniture, some powder-coated aluminum. They got hit really hard with the sprinklers. You know the mineral deposits we get here, right?
It's
gross.
Very hard water here.
So we're going to try that on there, too, and see if this can dissolve the water spots like it says it can.
Now, we both have experience with Sud Factory spot remover, but it's
for glass.
For glass.
The water spot glass. Yeah.
This is a different product.
Different product. They don't want you to use this one on glass. Their glass cleaner, it's more of a cream based, huh? Like a,
yes.
Yeah. So we should probably review that one too sometime.
Yeah.
Let's do
stay
it.
Tuned.
But anyways, I thought real quick, just how to use this. It's very simple. You're just going to put some on a microfiber and you rub it in. You kind of work with it. It doesn't say how much to put on. You just, kind of eyeball it, get it damp, rub it into your spots, see if you're working, and then you rinse it off with water. And it says to start with a cool, clean surface. Which we always do, pretty much everything you do, right? Then you rinse it off with water, and then it does say to follow up with some protection. They, of course, list there, Sud Factory SFX, followed up with some wax or sealant or whatever your choice of. I was going to say real quick what it works on. Paint, clear coat, chrome, wheels, vinyl, rubber, plastic. So that's what's on their website. It's not on the bottle, but we want to make sure we're using it on something that they do say you can use it on, so that applies to those seals around the window.
All right, let's go see how this stuff works.
Let's try it. Okay, first thing, Ryan, it's important to wear gloves when you're working with this stuff. Most chemicals.
When you're working with chemicals, just protect yourself.
Especially things that are probably, basically probably acidic based because we're removing water spots.
Exactly.
I don't know what's in this. It doesn't say.
Protect yourself, please.
But it even says somewhere to protect your skin. So put some lightly on our rag here.
Guess I should be recording what Brandon's doing there.
Oh,
okay, so there's no viscosity to that, right?
It's very thin. And
all right,
let's just go ahead and rub it in. We did pre-clean this area.
Okay.
We'll stop right here and see if we can see a before and after.
Perfect. Can you see okay?
Yeah, actually, dirty. You know that stuff does that.
Yeah. Sure does. But you've tried to remove that, right? Just by cleaning and those spots were just
different. Yeah, I'll tell you one thing. Stuff's got a little bit of smell to it.
Woo. Yeah, it does have a weird odor.
Okay, it's getting better. It's not gone yet.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we can still see them. Yep.
So I'm gonna go with a little more.
Okay.
I'm gonna say,
well,
it's better.
Oh yeah, definitely better.
It's not completely gone, and I'm working pretty hard.
I think. Let's see if I can.
Let me hit.
Because if you go here and then here where you didn't do any,
you can really see anything. It, right?
Yeah, I believe we can.
I'm gonna put a little water on.
Rinse it off. Okay.
Just tap water.
Oh, that actually.
It's looking better. It's looking a lot better.
Okay, so, because we got look, we got spots there. I'm trying not to. And then as you go down here,
definitely knocks the scale down. I think.
Yeah.
It might be a little.
But it may be etched into that plastic.
That's what I'm thinking. Like
I mean, I know it said it worked on plastic, rubber, paint, but
so it worked to a degree. They're not completely gone. And then, like I said, this could be damaged. But you know what? When I put a little bit of dressing on there.
Yes. And that dressing will also help protect against future. But look how bad that is. Can you guys see that?
Ryan, these are some mean water spots. Straight from the sprinklers. They've been on here probably about a year. Don't
Baking in
the sun's hit it in the afternoon. These are under a patio, but they still baked on there.
Arizona has some of the hardest water I've ever
So I'm going to be heavy with the You can see that? I went a
Yeah,
little
kind of
heavy.
let it soak because it's got to break it down.
I want to give it some advantage before we start agitating. So let's do that. It will dry quickly, I'm sure. But
Yeah,
we're
don't
gonna
let it
go
dry.
ahead and,
I know it's supposed to be a cool surface, but it's still warm. But yeah, go ahead and.
yeah, I tried to cool it. But let's see if we. I am gonna push pretty. I am putting a lot of pressure on this, but I kind of feel like it's gonna need it. All right. Let me. We'll put.
Oh, that's a dramatic difference already, though. But you missed a spot.
Yeah,
right there, Brandon.
No, I dropped the rag. That's bad. Don't drop rags. But this is patio furniture. Who cares? Okay, I'm gonna say better.
Yeah, because look, I mean, you can see how it's even built up
Even
here.
over
But,
here, this is what it looked like
but this.
before.
Now I want to see you. Can you,
So
can
let's
you
do
work
that
on
one.
that? Because that's
probably the worst spot. Huh?
I mean, if you spent a little more time, maybe let it soak on there a little bit so
Yeah.
the chemicals can.
This is gonna be a lot of work to do this whole chair.
What I would do is I would wait until it's even warmer outside. You know.
Oh yeah, good idea. Oh, this stuff stinks.
It does have a weird odor. I've already said that, but I'm saying it again.
I'm not digging the smell, but that's okay if it works. All right.
And
a
then
little
what he's doing
water.
is he's just rinsing with water.
This is
there.
just tap water, nothing. This is the water that probably caused the spots
Yeah,
in
you're
the
just
first place.
you're adding the minerals back. What the heck?
I should have grabbed the Deionizer.
But holy moly, that came right off.
Okay, it's better.
Okay, that's beautiful.
The stain, the outline's still there.
But you missed
But it
this
is
though.
better.
I'm not happy with this job
Yeah.
right here. I'm just gonna say.
So I feel, I don't know, depending on the surface,
I think you just got to let it
keep working with it.
work into
It's not as simple
the
as
minerals
this.
and break them down.
For this situation, it's not as simple as the videos make it out to be. I'm gonna say.
Well,
so.
yeah, marketing videos are never reality, right?
But
But no,
It's
no,
better.
that's
It's
a
better.
dramatic difference. Here,
It's
I'm just going to
better.
go over to the this side here just so you can see, and you can see the before and afters. But look at
I
that.
didn't touch this.
You just
We
touched
didn't
it.
touch
You
it.
just touched
Yeah.
it. Stop touching it.
So you can see where we worked extra aggressively here.
Oh yeah,
and
you
not
did
here.
try that, yeah. And then
That's
here,
better.
actually, it's wet, but that's a dramatic
Yeah,
difference.
here, let it dry. Kind of comes back.
All right.
It's definitely better. Ryan, the Sud Factory Dissolve X2 for paint. What do you think?
I think it works.
I do too.
Yeah.
It proved to remove the lime and buildup, I would say 95% of it.
Yeah.
There's a small trace left over, and I think with a little more work / better temperatures out, we probably could have a different result.
And hopefully it's not that bad on your paint. I mean, because that chair was
Yeah.
very bad.
And yeah, that was bad. And the agitation I was using on that chair, I would actually not want to push that hard on my vehicle's paint.
yeah.
Just for me, but maybe on a clear coat's a little softer. That's a powder coat.
maybe even letting it dwell a little longer on there to break down those minerals.
Yeah, and then
But the results were good, as you can see from the
yeah, it
before and
worked.
after.
It does work, and it worked on the trim on the vehicle too. I think
Yeah.
some of that is actually stained.
I think you got a little bit of damage there.
Yeah, but like I said, we can dress that up with a little trim dressing, and it'll hide most of that. You'll just have to reapply that every once in a while. But good job, Sud Factory. It's a good water spot remover. I've tried some other water spot removers in the past, and it's hard. It's hard work. The water here, the hard water.
Yeah.
We have a nasty water. We'll post video links of us doing tests on water. We've tested water
yeah,
on here
it's
before.
bad
It's
here.
gross.
And like you, I've tried others as well. I've not had luck.
That's the most luck I've had.
This is actually the best
Yeah,
I've seen.
I agree.
for
I'm with
Arizona.
you.
Thank you for
Watching.
watching. And
Oh, real quick, there'll be a link
Yes.
below if you want to grab some of this. We did purchase this ourselves, so this is not a sponsored video by any means. Until
all right,
next time,
thank you.
thumbs up. Later. Bye. I'm angry.
We're ready to do some videos. Everybody.
Like I don't know what to do with my hands.